and welcome to this video on installing the Muse extension for VS Code. The VS Code extension is used in several ways when working with the Muse controller. The extension is used in creating Muse program folders for high code installations, connecting to controllers, uploading and downloading scripts, and debugging scripts running on the controller. Before following the steps in this video, please make sure you have installed Visual Studio Code. If you have not completed the first step, please pause this video and install Visual Studio Code now. With Visual Studio Code installed, download the Muse extension for Visual Studio Code from one of the Muse product pages on amx.com. Unzip the file once it is finished downloading. You should now have a file named .VSIX. This is the file we will use for the installation. Now that you have the file, open VS Code and click on the Extensions button on the left-hand side. At the top of the window, click on the ellipses beside Extensions. Click the Install from VSIX option at the bottom of the list. Browse to the location where you saved your VSIX file, select it, and click the Install button. You should now see the Muse extension in the list of installed extensions. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.